believe you have that debt to pay. It is because you have an obligation to yourself, because your individual salvation depends on collective salvation, because thinking only about yourself, fulfilling your immediate wants and needs betrays a poverty of ambition, because it is only when you hitch your wagon to something larger than yourself that you realize your true potential. End of quote. While I hope that you will go on to fulfill your own ambitions and excel in your chosen fields, you must all keep in mind that there is always an obligation beyond self. You will ultimately be remembered not for what you have achieved for yourself, but for what you have contributed to society. From you, we expect great things, and I am confident that you will make us proud. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank the Honourable Minister of Education, Mr. Nurul Islam Naheed MP, for gracing this occasion with his presence here today. I am grateful to my friend Mary Robinson for delivering the convocation address which deserve our greatest attention. I am delighted that this occasion provided an opportunity to have Mary and her husband Nicholas in Bangladesh. I thank all members of the faculty and staff of BRAC University for their untiring efforts for the development of BRAC University and its students. And I congratulate once again the graduating students for their hard work and their parents and guardians for their loving care, patience, and sacrifice. I wish you all Godspeed. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Professor Naheed. I would now like to invite the Honourable Minister for Education, Mr. Nurul Islam Naheed MP, to present his speech.
Respected Vice Chancellor and the President of this convocation, Professor Dr. Haidar Nishad, Chairperson, BRAC University Board of Trustees, Sir Professor Fazle Hassan Abed, respected convocation speaker, former President of Ireland, Mary Robinson, members of the Board of Trustees, members of the Economic Council, distinguished guests, respected teachers of the BRAC University, and my dear graduating students, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good evening to all of you. At the outset, I would like to thank the authority of BRAC University for inviting me in this prestigious occasion. It is indeed a great pleasure and honor for me to address this august gathering. It is my privilege also to address distinguished guests and graduating students on such an auspicious occasion, the 6th convocation of the BRAC University. BRAC University has proved successful. It has secured a place of high distinction in quality teaching and research. BRAC University produces young professionals steeped in high ethical values and imbibed in the spirit of self-devotion and service of the nation. My dear graduating students, I congratulate you. You have become proud participants of much expected and prestigious program, the 6th convocation. 4 years in BRAC University were an important part of your life. I am really happy that you have passed the time successfully, and today you are here to receive your certificate with a smiling face. Here, I would like to request you that you should keep in mind always that achievement, this success, your parents guardians and teachers have a very big support and sacrifice. We also have to remember the contribution of the people of our country also, who contributed indirectly to make you successful. I congratulate you once again with my whole heart. I hope with this success you all will go ahead and to build your future life as well as to contribute in developing our country. Distinguished guests, our government, led by Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, is determined to ensure transparency and accountability in higher education. At the same time, to ensure education and real education atmosphere in the university. Private University Act 2010 is enacted. Private universities should be committed to provide quality education with adequate infrastructure, quality faculty, and other necessary facilities if the law is actualized. And thus, there will be a great positive change in the higher education of our country. I can assure you that the government will extend its all-out support to the private universities so that they can contribute to the nation. We hope that both public and private universities will be dynamic, modern, and global standard. We want to give more importance and attention to both public and private universities. Students of both universities are our sons and daughters. I am glad to know that from the inception, Reg University has been providing many facilities to the students and playing an important role in education expansion besides imparting quality education. We hope that this will be more developed, expanded and strong in future. Ladies and gentlemen, you know that the government has finalized National Education Policy 2010 in consultation with the people of all sections, and it has been accepted by Jatiya Samsad unanimously. It is already in the process of implementation. The government in a big way is going for implementing the National Education Policy very soon. The main objective of the National Education Policy 2010 are to inspire the students with the spirit of our liberation struggle, to build our new generation as good citizens, to make them well competent with patriotism, honesty, sincerity and sense of accountability to the people. Our new generation should have knowledge of modern science and technology so that they can apply this knowledge to change our country as a developed one. Today, education means knowledge and skill, and this must be life-oriented, should be implemented in practice. As you know, we got our independence under the leadership of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman in 1971. 3 million people sacrificed their lives in independence, for the independence. Millions suffered for the independence war. All this happened with the hope of freedom from hunger, poverty, illiteracy, corruption and so on. But 40 years have been passed after the independence of our country. Still we have to achieve the goals of our independence. Our people created a scope of hope again in national election in 2008. With their notable mandate, Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina formed our government in the beginning of 2009. Under the dynamic leadership, the present government is working together to achieve the goals of our great independence. We are working for a change by 2021, which is called Vision 2021. Various programs are running to make this change in the field of education. We are trying to enroll all of our children in these schools by 2011. We are working for reducing the dropout rate. For this, As you know, we are supplying books to all students of primary and secondary levels, including madrasa and technical students, free of cost. We are trying to ensure quality education for all so that our new generation can play their role, can contribute themselves to make the country free from hunger, poverty, illiteracy, backwardness, corruption, etc. I would like to say that our new generation will have to play a vital role to make this change happen. We are looking forward to our new generation. Today, graduates are part of them. Ladies and gentlemen, at last, I would like to thank you for giving patient hearing. I would also like to congratulate the authority of the university, teachers and officers and staff for their hard work and sincerity to make this arrangement really meaningful. Once again, I congratulate the graduates and wish you new successes in coming days. Thank you all.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. The Chairperson of the Board of Trustees of BRAC University, Sir Fazle Hassan Ahmed, will now present a crest of the university to the Honorable Minister for Education, Mr. Nurul Islam Nahid. The Chairperson of the Board of Trustees of BRAC University, Sir Fazle Hassan Ahmed, KCMG, will now present a crest of the university to the Convocation Speaker, Honorable Mary Robinson. With this, we end the first part of our convocation ceremony. I now request all the guests and graduating students to proceed to the lobby for dinner. The second part of our ceremony will resume at 9:10 p.m. May I therefore request all to kindly return to your seats by 9 p.m. I would also request the guests sitting in the gallery upstairs to go to the celebrity hall for their dinner, and I would request the other guests to go to the Carnival and Harmony Hall for their dinner. Thank you all.
Ready? হয় নাই তো সবাই একসাথে ওকে
ওটা শীতকালে করে আপনার মাথাটা তবে
Can I request all of you to mobilize our students? They should now enter into the hall.
And it is our privilege to welcome you to the second part of today's convocation ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice Chancellor will now present gold medals to the graduates who have received the highest CGPA for each of the departments. The Chancellor will now present gold medals to the graduates who have received the highest CGPA for each of the departments. As I call out their names, they are requested to come up to the stage to receive their medals. Qazi Muhammad Ashiquzzaman from the department. From the Electronics and Communications and Engineering program, Shamur Akhtar Chaudhary is up next. From the Electronics and Communications Engineering program, we have Shamur Akhtar Chaudhary. Following Rashid Sawar, from the Bachelor of Business Administration, Monami Afroz Ishika. Following Ishika, from the Economics and Social Science Department, Farah Chaudhary. From the Department of English and Humanities, Taksil Chaudhary. Following Taksil Chaudhary, from Bachelor of Science in Physics, Nokeem Haider Protein. From the postgraduate program, first up, Iqbal Hussain from the Institute of Education Development. Can we have Iqbal Hussain on stage, please? From the School of Public Health, can we please have Morshada Chaudhary? Ladies and gentlemen, this is a big day in their lives. Can we have a bigger round of applause for everybody, please? Thank you. And finally, for the Masters of Science in Educational Leadership, Planning and Management, can we please have Muhammad Abdullah Al-Mahmoud. For the Masters of Disaster Management, please welcome Sushant Sharma. Sushant Sharma from Masters of Disaster Management. Our Chancellor's gold medalist, Shamur Afsar Chaudhary, couldn't make it in the first round. Can we please welcome Shamur Afsar Chaudhary this time?
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for all of those recipients of the Vice Chancellor's Gold Medal? We will now proceed with the presentation of degree certificates by the Vice Chancellor to all those who have been conferred their degrees today. As I call out the departments and the names of the candidates, please proceed to the stage to receive your certificates.
I'm looking for Iqbal Hussain of IED. Okay, he's not here. Okay, we'll proceed.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the Bachelor of Science in Physics, first up we have Farzana Zahid, who is doing major in both physics and economics. Next up we have Muhammad Murtaza Mahmood with the highest distinction. Following him we have another highest distinction, Mr. Naqib Haidar Proti. Moving on to the School of Law. Bachelor of Law graduates. First up, Anika Rafa. Next, we have Mehnaz Khan. Then we have Jumara Jahan Chaudhary. Followed by Shapna Rani Kaur.
Following the Bachelors of Laws, we have Bachelor of Arts in English, Mithila Rahman. Kondukar Nusrat Hussain. Ridwan Rauf Khan, Urfa Zawar, Farhanaz Mehdi, Muhammad Misbah ul Haq, Rumana Tasneem, Umme Sami, Nusrat Akhtar, Sharmin Shurabhi Salahuddin, Tanzil Chaudhary, highest distinction, Sadia Afrin Orib, Fatima Zora, distinction. Antia Reza. Sonika Islam, high distinction. Sadia bin Chaudhry. Nahyan bin Asadullah. Farhina Sharmeen. Rumana Saib. Shaila Sharmeen. And Samia Rahman.
Moving on to the Bachelor of Science in Electrical and Electronic Engineering. First up we have Muhammad Mashroor Shafiq Khan. Salma Salam Cynthia. Marif Mahmood. Muhammad Rubiul Islam Sharkar. Antara Devnath Untu. Adnan Arsalan. Muhammad Iftikhairul Islam. Muhammad Adnan Al-Moshi. Shah Muhammad Siddiq Rawan. Rashid Sarwar. Raihan Ahmed. Muhammad Ashraf Ul Kareem and Khaza Mainuddin Ahmed. Moving on to the Bachelor of Science in Electronic and Communication Engineering, Saida Hussain, Sanjida Hussain Sabah, highest distinction, Tamia Tasluba Pramiti, highest distinction, Anamika Chaudhry, high distinction, Farzana Shabnam, highest distinction, Hamim Al-Ahsan Oniq, Muhammad Mamun Bhuiya, M. Waseed Hussain, Cynthia Aman, highest distinction, Farzana Akhtar, distinction, Tanzima Ali, distinction, Tasfeen Oyon, Ahmed Tanzir Ruhullah, Sumaya Akhtar, Shamur Absar Chaudhry, highest distinction.
Following on, SK Adnan Rabbi. Risalat Amir Khan, majoring in Electronics and Communication Engineering and Physics. Khandakar Muhammad Sakir, high distinction, majoring in Electronics and Communication Engineering and Physics. SK Laila Aisha, highest distinction. Abu Saqib Abdullah. Nusrat Shameen. Farhat Redwan. Andre Shorkar Andy, high distinction. Muhammad Abul Kalam Azad. Muhammad Al Mubin Sultan, majoring in Electronics and Communication Engineering and Computer Science. Muhammad Mubinul Haq Khan. Sheikh Qurban Ali, high distinction. Abu Sadat Muhammad Said. Saad Mahmood. Muhammad Yusuf Hassan. Hassan Mahmood Chaudhry. Muhammad Ghulam Shahriar Majumdar. Muhammad Tawhidul Alam. Paul Purification Distinction. Muhammad Asifur Rahman. Ishtiyaq Asad. Muhammad Tanveen Subhan. Marzana Zaman. Shaukat Jalal Chaudhary. Shudha Tasneem Iqbal Distinction. Dil Afroz Farzana Distinction. Umme Sharmeen Zahir. Khadimul Islam Majumdar. Shabnam Noor Distinction. Bishoy Reza.
Raqib Ahmed, highest distinction. Muhammad Raid Hassan, distinction. Rizwanul Kareem. Ashraf Uddin Ahmed Zubair. Oreen Haq, highest distinction. Shahan Dilshad. Nujhat Noori, high distinction, doubling in electronics and communication engineering and computer science. Imran Nawaz Khurshid. Zubair Anam Rana. Rishi Rahman. Khadija Rasool, highest distinction, double major in electronics and communication engineering and computer science. Nafiza Hafiz, distinction. Nadia Ahmed. Muhammad Fahmid ul Islam. Muhammad Atikul Haq Chaudhary. Muhammad Abdul Wahid. Muhammad Jahidul Rahman. Muntaqim Hussain. Suraya Yasmin. And Shamima Yasmin.
The Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Engineering. Nadeem Hussain. Biplab Kumar Shah. Hassan Firdaus Sharif. Zakia Mon Distinction. Russell Chaudhary. Maudud Ahmed. Muhammad Asiful Alam. Now the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Khalid Shams. Shibli Imtiaz Hassan. Shahira Malik Shopnil. Muhammad Fazlul Kareem Tushar. And finally, Shoykot Ahmed Kochi.
From the Bachelor of Architecture, we have Sadia Nishal. Followed by Fahim Mustafa, high distinction. Rayan Samuel Haq. Badia Badrutuza, distinction. Samia Saleh. Sonia Islam. Tariq Muhammad Saidul Islam, high distinction. Nahid Sharmin, distinction. Nabila Noreen, high distinction. Muhsina Tabassum. Risab Ahmed. Qazi Muhammad Ashiful Zama, highest distinction. Nadia Farnaz. Sushmita Sayyida Lavonno, distinction. Sayyid Atikur Rahman, Muhammad Rahgir Firdaus, Nazila Mehnan, Mir Nabila Ali, distinction. Sultan Rahman, high distinction. Ishita Rahman, high distinction. Adiba Muhammad Abdul Rahman, high distinction. Fakhtin Naeem Khan, Nadia Firdaus, Khandakar Abrar Salam, Muhammad Shahadatul Islam, Inshira Imdad, Sarita Rahman, Shubhashish Shaha, Mehnaz Tabassum, Majida Khatun, Dilawar Hussain, and last but not least, Anika Tasneem.
From the Bachelor of Science in Economics, Farah Chaudhary, highest distinction. Tawheedullah Mahmood, high distinction. Tamanna Sharmeen. Sabiha Ali, highest distinction. Shafina Alam, highest distinction. Rafia Zareen, Galiba Rabbani, Mehnaz Murshid, distinction. Tanmoy Datta Gupta, George A. Dash, distinction. Nusrat Zaidul Hussain, Marzia Khair Ahmed, Zinat Ara Moin, Mauruda Rahman, high distinction. Muhammad Hilal Hussain, Ratib Ahmed, high distinction. Naheed Tahriba Rashid, distinction. Sheikh Tanzia Fahmeen Ahmed, distinction. Mohammad Rizwan Shamim, Choiti Rahman, Albina Zafar, high distinction. Bishrun Afsari, Diba Farah Haq, highest distinction.
Muhammad Nasif Anwar, Sohaib Ahmed, Maya Rahman, high distinction. Mudassar Ahmed, distinction. Salman Rahman Khan, Azmira Aziz, Faria Anam Chaudhary, Muntasir Hasnat, Tahia Samir, Ishtiaq Hussain, highest distinction. With that, we move on to the Bachelors of Business Administration. First up, we have Muhammad Karun Rashid, Mahbooba Sharmin, Afsana
Business School, make your presence felt today.
Tausif Islam, high distinction. Iftikhar Kareem, distinction. Tafir Ahmed, distinction. Sabrina Nigar. Muhammad Zubair Alam. Zannatul Rafia. Hidayat Murshid. Ghulam Musabbir. Upama Khair.
Monami Afroz Ishika, highest distinction. Muhammad Ashikujaman Mondo. Cornelius D. Rosario. Muhammad Saifur Rahman. Muhammad Tanvir Rahman. Shushmita Roy Talukdar. Aditi Talukdar. Distinction. Nafisa Farhana. Sonia Islam. Followed by Rushrat Haq. Imtiaz Sadruddin Mahmood. Tamsid bin Ahmed. Qazi Anwar Sadat. Muhammad Sajid Chaudhry. Ashikur Rahman. Mirza Shahduri distinction. Samnum Sultan. Muhammad Arif Nasir. Nadia Ahmed. Rubaya Rahman. Rabia Noor Ahmed. Asif Faisal Rumi. Saiful Usman. Nasiha Mazbi. Sayyida Maria Hussain. Muhammad Ashfiqul Islam distinction. Asif ul Haq high distinction. Israt Kabir. Lina Afroz Khan. Muhammad Hassan Shajib, highest distinction.
Sadia Mardi. Munira Mahshara. Saida Haq. Saida Sirajul Munira. Followed by Muhammad Salim Sharkar. Muhammad Salim Sharkar. Afterwards, Sabrina Sultana, high distinction.
আমি B3
Atif bin Razin. Khandakar Mustaqim Ahmed, highest distinction. Joydeep Sinha Roy, distinction. Masood Parvez, distinction. Samira Ahsan, highest distinction.
আমি 3 আমি তো তুমি পিছনে আমার
Nazmut Shaki.
তুমি পিছনে পিছন থেকে রাখতেছি তো
Imran Hussain. Muhammad Imran Hussain.
ধরো হ্যাঁ শিওর
Tarveez Fatima. Muhammad Robin Mia, distinction.
ওর যাচ্ছে না কেন
Anika Sania.
আপু একটু খাইবো
Behjat Fatima Chaudhry.
কোনো সমস্যা হচ্ছে
Sakshar Borua. Saima Ahmed, highest distinction.
Imran Sattar distinction. Tasmin Sultan, Khondokar Nazmul Alam, Tabriz Nazir, Faisal Rizwan, Lulu Mazmin Samira, Mariana Hossein, Sabrina Nasir Lia, Jannatul Marfua, Rakshana Talukdar, Fatima Firdausi, Nafis Muhammad Adnan Mazumdar, Tanveer Ibn Shafiq, Safina E. Jahan, Muhammad Ullah Al-Mamoud, Rizwan bin Mustafa, Fuad Qadir, Khondokar Mamnoon Ahmed Distinction, Muhammad Motiur Rahman High Distinction, Sneaker Iqbal Highest Distinction,
Joina Sultana, Fatima Tui Jyoti High Distinction, Shaba Mumtahina, Mehzabi Tanzila, Imranul Kabir, Farhan Manzoor Khan, Shahriar Hassan, Abu Firdaus Muhammad Abdullah Chaudhry, Muhammad Bahauddin, Muhammad Abdullah Al-Zubayr, Rubaiyat Sadiqur Rahman, Ashfaq Mustafa, Kushnuma Yasmin Zaman, Maisia Hussain, Syed Manna Sarwar, Nusrat Kabir, Nusrat Kadir, Sharina Tufazal Highest Distinction, Muhammad Sirajul Sadiqin, Muhammad Rifat Hassan Qamar, Naeem Farhan,
Muhammad Himayat Uddin, Samiul Haq Chaudhry, Muhammad Mehriyar Rahman Chaudhry, Taslima Jamal, Fatima Begum, Sayyida Saki Il-Fatima, Adrita Rahman, Kamrul Hassan, K.M. Noor, Shetu Gupta, Shariful Hassanul Haq, Muhammad Shahid Parvez, Nafisa Islam Eid, Rafait Ul Kabir, Muhammad Ismail Hussain, Muhammad Salman Ahmed, Farhan Haq, Ashika Zabir, Moinul Hussain, and last but not least, Muhammad Nazmul Ahsan.
And that brings us to the end of the certificate distribution ceremony for the undergraduate program. Let us please give them a big round of applause. We now move on to the certificate distribution of the postgraduate program in disaster management. First, we have Muhammad Ashiq Hassanullah, distinction.
pardon, please.
Nasrul Mumin Saifullah, high distinction. Muhammad Rubayat Ibn Azam. Tushar Sharma, highest distinction. Murshida Akhtar. We move on to the Masters of Science in Biotechnology. Sadika Sultana. Next, Farzana Alam. Muhammad Jahidul Islam. Salma Mir. Debashish Kaur.
Moving on to the Masters of Public Health. Thomas Duguay Nagdev. Shaifuddin Ahmed, high distinction. We're requesting the students of the Masters of Public Health to please follow the queue. Shaifuddin Ahmed, high distinction. Sharmeen Akhtar Zahan, high distinction. Sabera Kurmani, distinction. Bulash Patience, distinction. Mutakina Hussain, high distinction. Muhammad Hidar Hussain. Minraj Gyawali, high distinction. Muhammad Mashood Alam, distinction. Morsheda Chaudhary, highest distinction. Khurram Khan Sial. Qazi Ishtiyaq Sania, high distinction. Kausar Parveen, highest distinction. Farooq Raza. Faridul Joyanta. Farhana Sharmeen, high distinction. Sultana Yasmin, high distinction. Jasmine Parveen, distinction. Ong Zong Mo, highest distinction. And finally, Afzal Aftab, distinction.
We move on to the Masters of Arts in Applied Economics. And we have Zakia Sultana, highest distinction. Following by Masters of Arts in English. Syed Zadi Salina Khanam, distinction. Bilqis Hamida, distinction. Lucky Akhtar. Farhana Gamil Sindhi. From the Masters of Governance Studies, we have Muhammad Aminul Islam, distinction. Sarbeen Chaudhary. Asma Ara Begum. Saleh Ahmed. Urmi Tamanna. Muhammad Rashidul Hassan. Muhammad Khurshid Alam, distinction. Muhammad Nazmul Abidin, distinction. Muhammad Raihan Akhtar. distinction. Muhammad Shahidul Islam and Nuzhat Yaqub.
To the Masters of Science in Educational Leadership, Planning and Management, first up we have Muhammad Nuzrul Islam Distinction. Sanzira Akbar High Distinction. Mashuda Parveen Distinction. Azmira Khatun High Distinction. Shima Mithro High Distinction. Muhammad Mohsin Ali High Distinction. Mohyuddin Ahmed Highest Distinction. Muhammad Abdul Momin Mia. Muhammad Hamzad Hussain High Distinction. Utpal Mullik Highest Distinction. SF Noor Ilahi High Distinction. Mirza Nurul Nahar High Distinction. Muhammad Abdullah Al Mahmoud Highest Distinction. Shanchoy Kumar Mohanto Distinction. Muhammad Sarwar Sahal. Muhammad Sanwar Hussain High Distinction. Abu Fatim Muhammad Zahid Iqbal Highest Distinction. Muhammad Roman Mia High Distinction. Muhammad Abdul Rashid High Distinction. Musammat Afroza Khatun High Distinction. Muhammad Ruhul Amin High Distinction.
Moving on to BRAC University Institute of Educational Development. Muhammad Obaidullah Khan Wahidi High Distinction. Zinia Jasmine Kareem. Sayyida Rizwana Akhtar. Muhammad Shahidullah. Ghulam Kibriya Distinction. Shantimoy Chakma High Distinction. Mustaqima Khana. Ratan Kumar Sarkar. Muhammad Zahiruddin Akhund. Rabia Hussain Distinction. Samina Mumin. And Iqbal Hussain Highest Distinction.
For the Masters in Disaster Management, Firdaus Ara Hussain Distinction. Farhana Noor. Shumon Chakman. Ashok Kumar Adhikari. Muhammad Mujibur Rahman. Sumaya Imam. Saeed Ahmed. Following Saeed Ahmed, Raiful Jannat. Qazi Zubair Nahid Ikram. Labani Shortar. SM Mahmoud Usman. That was the Master of Development Studies. I beg your pardon.
Next we have Masters in Business Administration, Sajidul Islam. Mubashira Ashrafin,
এখন গ্যাপ আছে খুলে তুমি সমস্যা কি ওরা তো পারবেন না খুলতে
Shahida Akhtar,
গ্যাপ আছে খুলে না
Muhammad Zakir Hussain, high distinction, Ridwana E. Regina, Urmila Roy, distinction, Muhammad Muntakim bin Said, Muhammad Kamruzaman, Muhammad Saif Uddin, distinction, Ahsan Imdad Bhuiya, Nisar Ahmed, Ridwanul Mahmood, Shihab Saqib, Muhammad Mizanur Rahman, Rafiza Akhtar, distinction, Ardina Wahab, Farhana Nigar, highest distinction, Zillur Rahman,
Ishita Afreen Khan, distinction. Afifa Noreen, Qazi Faria Noton, Muhammad Mustafizur Rahman, Nasreen Akhtar, distinction. Faria Tasneem, Masoom Ahmed Shoji, Zahrina Nasreen, Muhammad Nahid Hassan, Ahmed Hussain, highest distinction.
Muhammad Ghulam Sharif, Rajkumar Shaha, Muhammad Shahawat Hussain, Muhammad Abul Hussain Robin, Maruf Ahmed Bhuiya, Qazi Ikramul Kabir, Rizwan Zahidi, S.M. Nasimuddin, Ahsan Uddin Ahmed, Asfia Rahman Dola, S.M. Abu Sayyid Siddiqui, Firdausi Azim, Muhammad Zahidul Alam, S.M. Minhajur Rahman, Nazma Khatun, Mahmood Hassan Prince, Bipul Kanti Banik, Fazlu Karim, Muhammad Mujahidul Islam, AZM Shoaib Chaudhry,
Salahuddin Qadir, Rob Jalil, Muhammad Iqbal Hussain, Fakrul Nahar Munir, Muhammad Risalat Hasan Khan, distinction. Muntashir Morshid, Rabia Habib distinction. Ashim Kumar Pramanik. Naushina Shafi. Sardar Mohammad Tariq Hasan. Ratna Bishash. Muhammad Ruhul Azad. Muhammad Khaled Hussain. Shikar Muhammad Fazlul Karim distinction. Akhtarul Nahar. Mahmudul Hasan. Jasmine Sultana. Muhammad Zulkarnain. Muhammad Firdaus Noem Khan. Fahima Khana.
Shantari Shaha High Distinction. Talat Rahman Sheikh. Joydeep Chaudhary. Muhammad Kamruzaman. Taslima Afroz. Muhammad Rajib Hassan. Makamam Mahmouda. Joshim Khan. Shaikh Waisuddin. Muhammad Mahfazul Goni. Now we move on to the postgraduate diploma in macroeconomic analysis. First up we have Muhammad Barkatul Rahman. Muhammad Munirul Islam. Abu Said Muhammad Kamruzaman. Shamshur Rahman Khan. Sheikh Shakiluddin Ahmed. Muhammad Asaduzzaman Sharkar. And finally Muhammad Saiful Islam Mondo.
With that, we come to the conclusion of the 6th convocation ceremony of Braj University. I now request the Vice Chancellor to declare the convocation closed.